guys, in the previous video we have seen when to pronounce A as A. In this video I'll give you another magic trick when to pronounce A as A. A का sound आपको A कब करना है. Just remember this, whenever A is followed by A, at that time we pronounce it as A. For example, call, small, tall, fall. Whenever A is followed by L, it is pronounced as A. And hold on, there is one more point to be remembered. Whenever A is preceded by W, at that time also, in that case also, you have to pronounce A as A. For example, watch, walk, wander, warm. I love warm water. Okay, so just remember, when A is followed by L or preceded by W. So now tell me one thing, if the word is A-L-T-E-R, will you pronounce it as alter or alter? If the word is B-A-L-D, will you pronounce it as bald or bald? Generally people mispronounce these words. So follow this easy trick and clear your ambiguities. Write in the comment section extra examples or any funny incident which happened due to mispronunciation of these words. Keep on following these tricks so that ambiguities of English language will be minimized, and follow our channel, follow our videos for further more easy tricks. Till then, bye-bye.